How to change ringtone on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change ringtone on Android phone. First then open settings and now just click here this one, sounds and vibration, and here you'll find phone ringtone. Click on it and then just you can select here any ringtone you want, or you can just take it from your device. Click music on device and here select any music you want, like this one, and then go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change ringtone on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.